Lake, and 43 at Wausau. Across the eastern Dakotas, at Watertown, it was sunny with a temperature of 45. At Sioux Falls, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 53. At Fargo, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 41. In Iowa, at Mason City, it was sunny with a temperature of 46. At Des Moines, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 51. At Sioux City, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 51. Once again at noon, in the Twin Cities, it was 45 degrees under mostly sunny skies. This is weather radio station KEC65 Minneapolis, St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. This afternoon, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is weather radio station KEC65.